Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your 2021 love and work charms reading for Sagittarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Sagittarius, this reading is for you. If you know a Sagittarius, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. Also, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. One random winner will be selected, but it is only for those who subscribe, like, and share, friends. So yes, let's see, Sagittarius, how this year will be, 2021. I'm excited. Let's see the theme of the year 2021. I'll shuffle the cards because I want to shuffle them. 2021 theme of the year for Sagittarius. Six of Pentacles. So I see money coming your way. I see balance coming your way, Sagittarius. I also see that this is your year of karma, year of rewards, past hard work paying off. So that's good. Congratulations, Sagittarius, how this year will be. 10 of Wands. I do feel you will have a lot of responsibilities this year. A lot is on your plate, You're very busy, Sagittarius, so get ready. I also see the pressures, or, you are handling a lot of challenges in 2020. I felt like there were a lot of things on your mind right now, or you feel burdened. You will find relief from that, friends. You will find relief from challenges and burdens, but it is a busy year for you. You will be busy. You will be taking care of a lot of people. And what else? Three of Cups, celebrations. I see maybe there might be a chance of a pregnancy. Oh, passion, look at that. Yeah, there could be a chance of a wedding in the family, or for you, or a chance of a pregnancy. Or definitely I see a pregnancy happening for some of you. Family expansion. Oh my God. Excitement coming in your life, and freedom from these burdens and relief. So yeah, you'll be busy, you'll be definitely busy this year, but things are going to work in your favor. Money is coming your way. If some of you were worried about money, money is coming. Celebrations are coming. I also see you will feel very excited about this year. You will feel very connected to what you want and how to achieve it. Sagittarius, you're very motivated. It's a great year for you, definitely. I do see some of you will be, some of you will be getting a new romantic connection, which will be very passionate, and it will be from your friends, or maybe a best friend falling in love for you, Sagittarius. Yay! Very interesting. Let's see your love life, Sagittarius. We'll look at your charms also, so worry not. This wants to come. Let's see. Okay, there are so many cards. I'll shuffle them. I don't know why they are flipping out but not coming out. So we'll take only those which jump out, right? Okay, see, again there is this. A lot of cards are just sitting there but don't want to come out. Maybe this is a latent energy. Sagittarius, their love life in the year 2021. Wheel of Fortune, see? 10 of Cups. Ooh, again, family, marriage, wedding. Yes, it's coming. It's happening. Marriage is important. Family is important. Yeah, I'll talk about it. Let me just pull the cards first. Queen of Cups. Sagittarius, their love life. The Page of Wands in reverse. Very interesting. The Queen of Wands. Wow. Wow, I do see a lot is happening. No wonder you have the 10 of Wands. A lot is happening, Sagittarius. Get ready for this year. It's a blooming year for you. You are busy in your love life. You start the year feeling like someone is feeling a little disappointed. Maybe it is your lover, your husband or wife, or a twin flame, or you feeling very disappointed with this situation, or maybe you are feeling just upset because this world situation has started to affect your love life and you're fed up. I do see some disappointments and some decisions at the start of the year, like you want to choose, you want to make the right decisions. I also see you love somebody, but they are very defensive towards you, Sagittarius. This person is like, nah, I don't want to open up to you. And you feel like maybe it is time to move on from them. So January, February, March, you are a little confused. There is a back and forth going on, like you feel like you should value yourself, they feel like they should value themselves. Also, this world situation of not meeting, not traveling is kind of starting to affect your love life or this relationship in the first 3 months. Like you want to travel but you can't, so this person is upset or you are upset. You are both in different cities or countries, you want to meet but you can't, so it is again a frustration affecting this connection. Also, work is affecting. Maybe Sagittarius, you are working too much, you don't have time, they are working too much, they don't have time, you work in different time zones. So, again, something else is causing an issue in the first 3 months, January, February, March, Sagittarius. But I see things getting back for you. I do see some sort of family is very important. Family is very important. April, May and June, family is everything about family. I do see some of you may start getting marriage proposals or will talk about marriage these months, April, May and June. I also see, if you are married, there is a chance of family expansion. Yes, you will be you will be getting a child, another child, or expansion of your family. I also see that you want commitment from somebody. It is coming. Someone wants to commit to you, someone wants to move in with you. Yes, a positive change is coming, a positive shift is coming in your love life. But I see it won't come, it won't happen like all happily. There will be some conflict, some fight, like you have to fight with this person, like, hey, will you want to commit or not? Then this change is going to happen. There will be some difference of opinion, some arguments, but eventually it is going to resolve in this 10 of cups of happiness and forward progress. And you getting busier because probably this person is moving in your city, or you are moving into the same cities, or getting married. So yeah, things are moving quickly, and you will get busy, Sagittarius. So stay positive, stay balanced. Things are getting busy, April, May and June. July, August, September, oh god, good lord, these are very emotional months for you. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and an Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. I do feel these are very emotional month for you. There is also a chance that sometimes you may feel very emotional and your person will feel very passionate. A hot and cold energy is there. I also feel that third party or some sort of a temptation may affect your relationship or marriage or commitment mid of the year, from June, July and August. You may have a choice of partner, or you will feel like caught between your emotions and your passion, and your person will also feel the same way. So you will have to take a wait and watch approach. Also, you should not rush things now because it will not work in your favor. I also see there will be a young person involved, a Cancer, Aries, Leo, Sag, sorry, my bad. Aries, Leo, Sag person, maybe a child. So someone with a child is coming towards you, or maybe you had a pregnancy in the mid of the earlier in the year, so that is becoming like that has started to affect like your relationship. So a lot is going on, but you have to keep patience and you have to keep communications open. I also see someone has a lot of father issues, or maybe your someone's family is interfering in your connection, so it might start to affect, but you have to keep your patience. End of the year, let's see how the end of the year will be. September, October, November, December. Wow, again, family is very important. You are spending the time with family. You are investing in building this relationship, this marriage, commitment, family, expansion. All those things are very important, and that is how your love life is moving. I do see there might be some sort of high intensity in these last few months of the year. I do see that you might get fixed upon this person, or they might get fixed upon an idea. Some toxicity may happen. Some anxiety may happen, like, you may feel like this person or this connection is toxic, or maybe the family is started to become toxic, or maybe the money work is becoming toxic and started to affect your love life or marriage. So you have, there is this energy of some excess happening, and you have to keep your relationship away from that. Otherwise, and you have to be mature and practical, and your lover will also have to behave in a mature and practical way. Maybe your lover could become like, hey, I just want money, money, money. Or they are very busy at work and starts to affect this connection. But I do see that some relief will come, and someone will move out of depressions, toxicity, anxiety, and a balance will come in this marriage, this relationship, this commitment. Overall, this entire year is about you finding stability, you building commitment, moving in together, getting married, expanding your family. A lot is happening. All those things are about future expansion, child, marriage, expansion, commitment. Let's see some advice for your love life, Sagittarius. Foundations and achievements. Look at that. You want marriage. Absolutely. It is on the card. If you are already married, it is about making your marriage stronger, more harmonious, buying a bigger house, getting a baby. Or if you are single, you want commitment, if not with that person, with someone new, strength. This is a very powerful connection. You are very powerful, Sagittarius. And I do see your person is also feeling very powerful. You, your person, your twin flame, soulmate, whoever it is with you. So power struggles will happen. You have to keep that in mind. Fulfillment of your wishes, Nine of Cups. Yeah, definitely things will get better. Your wishes will come true. In fact, this is a very fulfilling year for you. Look at that, Three of Cups. A celebration is definite in this year regarding your love life. Sacrifice, Hanged Man. I do feel you might have to give up your wishes in some way, or you might have to give up on your ego to make way or please your partner, Sagittarius. Or I don't see them giving their ego, so you might have to do that. And take your time in making any decisions this year. Take your time. Don't be quick to judge, Sagittarius. It won't work in your favor. Let's see your work and career. Sagittarius, their work. Wow. Three of Swords, Knight of Wands, Page of Pentacles. Money issues. You have some money issues this year. Communications. Ooh. Four of Cups, the Hierophant, the High Priest, the Knight of Pentacles. You have money issues. This is a slow and stuck year when it comes to work. I mean, like, work is going on, but there are disappointments. You feel unhappy because of the money that's coming in, or repeatedly one after the other you face some problems in communications, especially like if you are a team leader, your team is not performing. If you are a student, if you are going for joint projects, your team is not performing. All you have to do is you have to do everyone's work, so hiccups are there. I also feel you may be waiting for some job opportunity or call letter. It may come, but it may come later than you expect. Like, you have to wait the first 3 or 4 months for it, and you may feel disheartened, and you might end up giving up on that dream. But that is when actually this job or this call letter or this promotion will happen, and you'll be like, wow, now when I've given up, you are coming. But yeah, they are coming. This job opportunity, this expansion, this career, this if you are a student, I do see some some college degrees will be yours, or some awards will be there, but it will happen with a delay. Like, you have cleared the exam, but someone is not signing your PhD or scholarships, or someone is not signing or giving you the award. So there are delays, and it will frustrate you. You have to be slow, Sagittarius, and practical. And money is a big issue this year for you. Like, money will come, but then stop. But then again, it will come like truckloads, and then again stop. So you're like, what's going on? So be patient and communicate very clearly. Communicate very clearly this year, and also be ethical, be honest. Any kind of dishonesty or under the table work, if you do this year, you will get caught, Sagittarius. Yes, I am giving it you as a warning right now. Why? Because karma is there with you. It is like, if you do good, you get doubly rewarded. If you wait, your wait is rewarded. If you do is something illegal, it will be caught. If you do like if you try to bribe somebody, like get the permissions and bribe them, it will be caught. So you have to be really careful, Sagittarius, and you have to really balance yourself. If you are a student, you will be learning something or working in communications, in finances, law, also in fashion industry a lot, in textile, all those things, in universities, colleges. Some of you will go back to college. So a lot is happening, but slowly you should take your career and education. Advice: sacral chakra, yes, creativity is high. Heart chakra, you will you can manifest this year lot of money and lot of good harmonious connections at work. So you will also you will also find success or material harvest, how do I say, money, through your love, through your lover, through your family, marriage. So you might get married into a very rich family, or someone is coming who is from a rich family, or friend or someone, they will help you. Keep your heart open. Don't let your fears stop you, Sagittarius, and be patient. Don't do anything under the table. Patience. Look, oh my God, see, I told you, patience. Patience is very important, Sagittarius, in your work, in your career, in your education. 2, 4, 14. Solitude. You will be working more or less alone, but you don't need to do that. You are very intelligent. This is the energy of hermit. You are very intelligent, Sagittarius. There is help around. Ask for it. Take it. Authority. You are going for, you will have to, you're going for, promotion or something, but it will be delayed. It will come later in the year, not in the first half. In the later half, it will happen. So you are like, oh, when is it coming? Yes, it is coming in the later half of the year. So stay patient. Don't give up. Don't rock the boat. Let us see your charms. Sagittarius, what will happen in the year 2021? Oops. Let's see. Let's see. Number 15 is here with A. So A is important. T is important. Any other? No, there are just these letters. AT, TA, AT. I think ATA is an air traffic control or something. So maybe some of you will be traveling or waiting for news from abroad, or your job is in traveling agencies, you are a travel agent, or your work involves traveling. So, you are frustrated because you can't travel or something. Also, I feel someone with the letter A and T are important. Number 15 is important. Number 12 is also important. 12 could also be the year. December is important. Hat. Pink hat. Be kind to others and be kind to yourself, Sagittarius. This is the cat of protection. You are very protected. There is, you are, and also you are very, this is a very karmic year for you, Sagittarius. So you will, anything good you do, it comes back. Anything bad you do, it comes back. So be careful. Teacup, there are lots of friendships, celebrations, and occasions to celebrate. Someone in the family getting married, you getting married. Purse, money issues are there, but it will resolve by the mid of the year. Things will get better in your money. Lion, it is your own charm, Sagittarius. You are the half horses, half human, half horses, and lions are Leos. But I do feel this is about you gaining your power and success. Again, music is important. Some of you will start working as DJs, or in music industry, or in media, in information technology, or in air traffic control, customer cares. All those areas are important. Owl, you will learn a lot many things this year. This is a year of learning for you. Rainbow, yes, your rainbow is coming. You have worked hard in this year, so your rainbow is coming. You have 2 rainbows, so something good will happen. Like twice, if you were applied for a job in the January and you didn't get it, you will get it in maybe June or July. So something will happen twice. Bunny, lot of passion. Bunnies are also about childbirth. Tortoise, stay patient, friends. Stay patient. This year you will want to run ahead, but don't do that. It won't be good for you. And look at that. Progress. This is the progress charm, a lot of rapid growth. The mobile, I do see you buying a very fancy mobile this year, or you working in the mobile agency, maybe companies or something. Maybe you'll start your own company. I also see important messages are coming your way this year. And look at that unicorn, your wish is coming true. Yes, what a beautiful year it is. You will fix a lot of things. This is some of you may go in, are doctors or becoming doctors or healers. This is the flower charm, golden flower. I do feel there is an important connection in your love life. So I do see like marriage or some sort of important soul contract. This is the eye. So keep your eyes open this year. Butterfly, important positive changes. These are just random beads, nothing specific. And twin flame, you could be dealing with a twin flame. This is also in 8. Number 8 is important. This is also like childbirth, sacred union. Neptune is important for you. Emotions, some confusions will be there. Stay patient, friends. Patience charm is also here. Star, wishes coming true. Mars, yes, you are very powerful. You are very aggressive this year, Sagittarius. Be careful. Saturn, see, this is your year of karma. If you do bad, under the table things, right back you will receive it. If you do good, right back you receive it. Lover, a lover is very important. I do see that some your relationships will be tested, but they will either expand, or if they are not right, they will break. That's how I see it. Either you will get, if you are married, your marriage will expand into a childbirth or maybe another child. If your marriage is toxic in some way, there is a chance of getting it healed. 6 of coins. Balance. Children. See, I told you childbirth. Wow. Thank you, angels, for confirming. Children are important. USA is also important. Some of you may be dealing with the person from USA, or you might have to shift there, or you might travel there. So yes, make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. That's it for now. This is bye from Mystic C.